Here comes Thomas. I'm the number one engine. Whoa! All engines go! Coming through. Down the hills and round the wall. All engines go! The Fields of Sodor.
Oh, this weather. It is such a disappointment.
It most certainly is. I am trying not to take this personally.
Well, it has to be cloudy sometimes.
Yes, but not on a tour day. This is for tourists. That means they've never been here before.
And so they want to see sunny Sodor, not blah grey day Sodor. I can't even see Cranky.
I kind of like the grey days. Makes the sunny days feel more special. Come on, I think we can still make it fun.
Oh, Thomas, you are very dear. But not even the number one engine can control the weather.
Oh, but he'll try. That's why he's the number one engine.
Come on, let's do this! All engines, go! This is some beautiful farm country. And you can see it. Oh, there's a sheep. Oh, sorry, it's a bush. Oh. Now there's a sheep. Oops, sorry, Miss Cow.
You see, Thomas, everything looks the same.
It's the fog, Thomas. It makes everything foggy.
I guess it's greyer than I thought. But seeing the lighthouse will brighten their day. Time for a tunnel shortcut.
Oh, dear.
So fast!
Echo!
Tourists love these bumpy tracks.
It's made even this grey day feel bright.
It did. And just ahead you'll see the famous Vickerstown Lighthouse.
Is the lighthouse fading?
It's not fading. It's being swallowed up by fog. Here it comes. Wow, this is really, really thick fog. I can't see anything.
Oh, my! That's so loud!
So loud, I can feel it.
Well, we can't go on a scenic tour now.
We'll have to cancel the tour. How will you even get us to Knapford?
I don't know. Oh, whoa!
The passengers love that.
I didn't see that corner coming, but I sure felt it.
Oh, that was fun! Rather like I imagine a roller coaster feels.
Hey, that's a great idea for a new kind of tour.
It is.
Sure. When we came around that steep curve, I knew where we were just by how it felt. If we can't see the sights, then we're gonna have to feel the sights. Here's the game. We can figure out where we are by how it feels.
Well, that sounds fun.
It certainly does, and the passengers will love it.
Okay, we're coming up to our first stop, everyone.
Right now, it's just smooth, steady tracks.
That could be anywhere, but wait, what's this? Swaying like this?
Could only be one place. It's the Rickety Bridge.
Haha, yup.
Oh, do another one.
You got it.
notice sticks.
And the sound of leaves fluttering in the air. The dark woods.
Right, it is. The sun is out. No peeking.
Where could we be, Annie?
I smell flowers.
And I feel butterflies.
It's the meadow.
Great guess. Next stop, a place you'll really feel the excitement. Okay, remember, no peeking.
Ooh, the air feels much colder here.
How about feeling a rush of cold air?
Oh, man.
Can you feel us going down, down, down?
Yes.
But where on Sodor is a hill this steep?
Or a track this teeter-tottery.
I'll give you one more clue. Okay, everyone, let's help guess the location by feeling the good vibes down here.
Why, it's the Crystal Caverns.
How marvellous!
Hi, everyone. Look what I found. Look at all the creepy crawlies.
Bolts, I do not love the way that feels.
I love how the bugs feel.
I feel like it's time to bug out of here. I've got lots more ideas for the tour. On a grey day, you can't see much. Find your way, use your touch. Give a feel and you won't miss. This is a touch of Sodor, and Sodor feels like this.
Oh, it knows a little lick, a special kind of charm.
A walker's going to wall, this must be McCall's farm.
My axles tickle, my bumpers too.
Feels like we're spinning round.
Hold on tight, soon you'll feel the whole world upside down.
Hello-de-loo, this is a touch of Sodor, and Sodor feels like this. Oh dear, the feeling's clear.
Sticky and icky and mudsy.
It's okay, you discovered up here soon. We'll all feel sudsy.
The train wash.
Feel that hill going up.
Climbing high takes nerve. Flying down there is no doubt it's gonna be cannonball curve. On a grey day when you can't see much, find your way, use your touch. This is a touch of Sodor, and Sodor feels like this. Thomas, what a wonderful tour.
Yes, the passengers loved it. Until now, I suppose.
But it's the beach. Feel the sand in your toes and the cool of the water.
But it's so cold, dear.
Too cold to enjoy. Oh, the beach doesn't feel the same when it's this cold.
Hey, I know a spot that's warm, cosy, and great for hungry tourists. Reginald's wood-fired pizza sure warms things up.
Who's hungry?
This has been a pizzerific detour, but the passengers really want the sun. This fog is just,
Oh, now, you're the #1 engine. You'll find a way to rise above it.
rise above it. If fog is mostly near the ground, could you get above it if you go higher up?
Well, I suppose you could.
Then I know just where to go. Higher up. All right, everybody. All aboard!
Ooh, I heard the sound of falling water. We must be near a waterfall. It's Lookout Mountain!
Right again. Finally, we're out of that fog.
Oh, the sun does feel nice.
So warm on my face.
But Thomas, look, the passengers, they're still feeling their way around.
They're still playing the game, even in the sun.
That's great.
I knew you'd come through, Thomas.
It could have been an awful day, and you gave them something special.
How did you ever think of it?
I don't know. It just felt right.
Oh, good.